And why don't you get yourself a girl? Have some fun once in a while. Oh, what about Francesca from Taverna? She does this one thing, Madonna.
Rafael!
Bernardo!
Who is that?
Baron Fontanella owns most of everything around here.
Isabella! Come!
And him?
His son, Gennaro. Only thing he loves more than money is himself.
I have an important job for you two. It's in the Don's interest for Isabella to spend some time with the Baron's boy. He wants to see the old temple on the coast. You're to take them there.
Ever ridden in an automobile? It's quite a thrill on a beautiful day like this.
I was hoping to take my horse. Stretch your legs. Keep an eye on me. You'll be lucky if you can keep up.